Hi guys! In today's video, we will be making clay rings. So, 𝕻𝕚𝕚, a duck ring, let's get started. So take your clay, take a little bit of it, and start rolling it. So roll it until it fits your finger. So there's a gap there, so I rolled it more until it fits my finger. Then press it down, but don't press it down too much so that there's a little bit of width in it. So this works, but it's a little bit wobbly, so take your X-Acto knife and make the line straight. You could also use any utensil that you have, but I like to use an X-Acto knife. Then use the X-Acto knife to measure out how much it's supposed to cover of your finger. So I'm using an X-Acto knife again, but you can use anything you want. So I'm taking off a little bit of it. So now it fits perfectly, and I'm merging them together. You can repeat this to make other rings too. So time to paint. So I'm taking the yellow part and a little bit of blue to make the green for 𝕻𝕚𝕚. So first we're going to color in the base of each color, and then we'll get started with the faces. So the green is done. Now we're going to move on to the little ducky. So take a little bit of yellow and place it on. Now that your yellow is made, we're going to use a little bit of brown to make the little bear, but I'm going to put some white in it to make it a little bit lighter since the bear is a little bit light. Get all the edges so you can take it off your finger too, but I like to put it on my finger since it's easier to make. Time for the face. So for 𝕻𝕚𝕚, I'm taking a little bit of white and making two ovals with a thin brush. So here are the two ovals for its eyes. Now I'll take a little bit of black to fill in 𝕻𝕚𝕚's eyes and face. So he has a little pointy face. If you mess up like how I did right here, it's fine because you can go over it. So now for the little blush, I'm taking a little bit of pink and whitening it so that it's a little bit lighter. I've put it here, but please don't do what I'm doing here and using the white to lighten it on the ring, because that's just going to create a bigger mess and you don't want that. So here I'm going to go over the mistakes that I made. So I'm remaking 𝕻𝕚𝕚's eyes and covering up all the blush. Now I'm filling in the little eye. And adding the blush. Time for the ducky's face. So now I'm going to take a little bit of black and add two dots to it for the eyes. So it should look like this, and there should be a little gap in the middle to make the face. Sorry, mouth. So add a little bit of red onto your yellow if you don't have that orange. So I'm mixing it in to get the perfect orangish yellow tone color for the mouth. So here it's not perfect yet, so I'm adding a little bit more of red and make a sideways oval for the little mouth. So this is how it looks. Time for the bear. So for the bear, I'm taking two black ovals and a little triangle for the nose. This one doesn't have a mouth. Next, I'm going to take the pink for the blush. And we're done. So they should look like this. This is the bear one. This was our reference. Keroppi. Our Keroppi reference. The duck. By the way, I've made all of these before. They are just in the video so you can have reference. And the reference duck. Bye!